So we'll see about the experiment on engineering experience laboratory about LED blinking using Arduino UNO. So the need for interfacing the LED is called as light emitting diode. We are using the Arduino UNO board, which emits the light based on the time limit. So we'll write the LED blinking program on the Arduino IDE and download it to the microcontroller board. So this program simply turns on and off the LED between some delay. So Arduino is an open source. It is an open source board that have a microchip Atmega microcontroller on it. This microcontroller has a set of digital and analog input output pins. The operating voltage is 5 volt and it has 14 digital input output pins and 6 analog input output pins. The clock frequency of microcontroller is about 16 megahertz. LED is called as light emitting diode. It is becoming very much popular among the people where we can use it for the safety purpose, giving the alarm settings and to indicate a certain event. When a voltage is given to the PN junction diode, when the LED is being forward biased, it emits light. When it is being reverse biased, it turns off. So we can make use of the LEDs to make that LED to make it on and off based on the voltage given to the PN junction diode. So this is the LED symbol, light emitting diode symbol, where we have the P side and N side. The structure of LED is also shown. We have different colors of light emitting diodes where the outer layer is being covered with a lighting material. Based on the forward biasing or reverse biasing, it emits light or not. The flow of the charge carriers makes the difference. So electrons and holes across the PN junction drives the activity of the light emitting diode. When a forward bias voltage is being applied, electrons and holes recombine at the junction and releasing the energy in the form of photons. That is, we call it as a light. So we can we are able to see the light blinking. The semiconductor chip is linked to the external terminals known as anode and the cathode. The anode is linked to the P region and cathode is to the N region. The LED blinking is an introductory project using the Arduino platform, where IoT is playing a very vital role in our daily day-to-day life. Internet of Things, making the devices to interact through the internet. One such among the basic project is using the Arduino platform, which is used to implement the IoT environment. The Arduino UNO board is used for this purpose. So blinking the LED experiment, we are making use of the Arduino board. We have the procedure for writing the, since it is being the microcontroller board, writing the program, we are embedding onto the board and making use of the program. We are making the hardware device, that is LED, which is being connected to the Arduino board to make it on and off by the use of the program. So we have the working procedure like this. We have two fundamental Arduino functions for controlling the behavior of your board. It is called as, the functions are called as setup function and loop function. The setup function is it is the function which is called only once throughout the program. It is being called only once. Its goal is to set the pin modes, initialize the variables, and execute any other necessary setup task before the main loop begins. And the loop function is the heart of the Arduino program. After the setup function is executed, the loop function starts running repeatedly until the Arduino is being powered off or reset. So we call it as the loop function. It contains the main code that performs the desired task. In the code, we have declared two integers. We have the LED pin and delay. LED pin represents the pin number of the Arduino where LEDs need to be connected, and delay is an integer variable for the delay function. So we have certain components required. One LED and one resistor of 330 ohms and the breadboard, Arduino UNO board, R4 or earlier versions, and the connecting wires. So we are controlling only the LED in this program, and we have a resistor for current limiting, and we have a breadboard for making all these connections. And using the Arduino platform, we are going to control the device. Earlier versions can also be used. So need for wires is to make the connection between them. And this is the Arduino code, Arduino program for it. So first we are declaring the LED pin 13. We are connecting the positive of to pin number 13, and we are making the LED to on, that is forward bias, and ground is being connected to the negative. So delay of between on and off conditions, delay of time 1000 is being used, 1000 integer values being used to make the difference between the LED on and off conditions. So using the digital write and digital read for making the functions, and those main code functions are put into the loop, while loop. So this is being the circuit connections, where we have the Arduino board, and making use of the LED, we are using the current limiting resistor. Arduino board, we are connecting it with the system, and to the pin number 13 we are connecting the positive of that resistor, that is LED connected to the positive terminal, and the ground is LED negative is connected to the ground. So the applications are uses of LED blinking as security systems to check the status of any security systems, and giving the warning signals. LED blinking can be used to indicate low battery levels, and status indication is suppose if we are performing a certain task, and to indicate the condition of completion, so we can use the LEDs for making the condition completed or not. So LED blinking project gives a hands-on introduction to the microcontrollers, hardware interfaces, and programming ideas. This is a very simple logic which interconnects all. Hardware devices here LED, and software platform is microcontroller Arduino board, and serves as a foundation for more sophisticated projects, and allows you to begin with a very basic thing. And we are connecting, we can connect it to the Walkbee platform also. This is the explanation given for LED blinking. And we have a online simulation platform Walkbee. So there we can connect the Arduino board with the LED. So LED positive is connected to pin number 13, and ground is connected to ground. And we have the code as as just now we have saw the code. So like this